and you guided everything, what to eat, what not to eat. It has really helped me a lot. The stomach problem all went off like जैसे किसी ने जादू मंतर कर दिया बिल्कुल. मैं यही कहना चाहूंगी कि बिकॉज द प्रोग्राम आप दे रहे हैं इट्स रियली वंडरफुल बिकॉज दुनिया में कहीं भी ऐसा कोई भी आप कहीं भी किसी भी डॉक्टर के पास चले जाओ, चाहे आयुर्वेद में, वेदा में, चाहे एलोपैथी में, चाहे और किसी फील्ड में, आपको ये ट्रीटमेंट नहीं मिल रहा है कहीं भी जो बिना मेडिसिन के आपको इतने अच्छे से क्योर कर सके.
And by the end of my third week, I started realizing that my issues related to my allergies, because I was a patient of chronic sinusitis, it just disappeared, like as if I never had any sinusitis. My bloating reduced. I lost about 3 kgs of weight, and I started feeling lighter, more energetic, and most of the time I was having aches and pains which disappeared. I feel much better. Sometimes I feel I don't have an issue with my gut, the kind of problems that I was facing in the beginning. I feel sometimes I feel completely all right. I feel much lighter. I always thought eating food is for your taste and for pleasure, but I realized that you can have plant-based good healthy food and still enjoy. So that's what I've done. I've changed my complete lifestyle, and I feel much happier and lighter.
I used to have acid reflux, or my food would regurgitate at times, and I started burping, which used to never happen. When I attended the first seminar, I knew that this should be the answer. So ऐसे कर के there were corrections, and I must say that acid reflux नहीं होता है. It is as good as zero. Burps also are like 90% better, I would say. And stools are very good. After joining the first session itself, I understood that there's a lot of undigested food matter. So digestion is not good. But now I observe my stools. So the stools are good. Energy levels. Energy levels are very good. Yeah. So this is the improvement that I see. And I must say it's like 90 to 95% improvement.
Hi, my name is Mukul Swaroop. I joined Digestive Care program, and I really benefited from learning about my IBS issue. I had a severe hyperacidity, 30 years old IBS problem, and I had real problems in my day-to-day life because my IBS used to oscillate between C and D. Now for the last few months after the treatment, I am now cured of that, and the supplements have really helped me, which he prescribed, and especially the GERD care, which has helped me reduce my hyperacidity. I have also benefited greatly from the wormwood complex, which was prescribed to me, and that has really helped me, as well as the Nasolive, which I had a sinus problem. Every seasonal change, I used to be on different types of steroid sprays. Now I am devoid of all those. I have gone through 2 seasons, and I don't have my sinus problem bothering me anymore. Thank you, doctors. I'm really grateful for all your interventions and support in helping me recover.